In the previous lecture, we have seen that the most convenient and secure way to administer your Windows servers is by installing Remote Server Administration Tools, RSAT for short, on a privileged administration workstation. In this lecture, we are going to download and install RSAT on our Windows 10 workstation. First, type the following on your web browser: Windows 10 RSAT download. The first link is the Microsoft download page. I will click on the link to open the page. First, choose your language. If your Windows 10 installation is on a different language than English, then select it from the list. When done, click the download button. Next, you are asked to select the package according to your Windows 10 version and architecture. In my case, I will select the 1803 x64 version. To check your Windows 10 version, just click on the Start menu and type WinVer command. And just here you have your Windows 10 version. So I will click on the next button to start the download. Click Save and wait till the download ends. After the download is completed, run the setup program. I get a warning from Windows Defender Smart Screen that it can't check if the setup file is a legitimate application and not a malicious one. Smart Screen need the internet connection in order to perform this verification. If your internet is off, you will get this message. I will just ignore that, as I am going to run a Microsoft setup program that is normally legitimate. Well, I hope so. The installation begins. In order to continue the installation, I need to install this update. I click Yes. Accept the license terms agreement and wait for the setup to complete. After the setup complete, go and open the Windows Start menu. Scroll down and search for Windows Administrative Tools container. Click on the container to expand the content. And as you can see, we have all the needed tools for server administration, like the Active Directory Administrative Center, which is the future replacement of the Active Directory Users and Computers tool we see here. We have here the DHCP Server Administrative tool. Let's scroll down to see the rest of the tools. We have the DNS Administration tool right here, and many other tools. Now you are ready to administer your Windows servers.